Ayan. Pinashare ko siya dito sa aking lupa. Kung anong dapat gawin dito at wala akong alam. See, oh, enjoy na enjoy siya, oh. Papasyal namin dito sa kasama namin yung kapatid ko.
Tapos, ano yun?
Ano?
Yung dagat yan.
This is the ocean, Beb. Hanggang digdi ako, Tutoy? Till that, Beb.
What, till there? So you do it up to there.
Till there.
Do a straight line with the shovel. So it's got a straight line. Then build the wall.
There.
Yeah?
Very fun. There. Sa imo, hanggang sa imo, sa
Doon
imo.
mo sa kuinatan dikit.
Dili na
Dikit
tanan,
man lang, dikit lang. Kasi may batag lang. May batag lang.
Okay. Tayo mo na yan.
Yeah?
Okay.
It's more safe for putting brick wall up. Lagyan ng cement na yung hollow blocks. Area or
Yeah.
hollow blocks. Yeah.
Ano kita
Kasi yung
bigos naman yung mga
Ha? Hollow
Hollow
block?
blocks yung yung
The cheapest way to do it because you've got a lot to build.
yes.
So the cheaper you can get the block, the better. Because you'll need a lot.
Hindi na kailangan kakadungan.
Pwede pa.
Hindi pa.
And
Dahil man siya nangangagat yan ni.
No, it's not bite, Beb.
yeah, I know.
Wala man
I
yan.
don't want them going up his
Go, go,
mouth.
Beb.
Ha?
Let's go.
Dahil man yan.
No, like that, Beb. Oh. Beb, like that, Beb. Oh. Yeah.
Sabi yung mga pinabaka lang ini ni mama. Pwede yun.
anak ko ni sila.
Baka garatulan ini.
Ayaw man ko din yung tali. Yan o.
Pinashare ko yung aking asawa. Hanggang dyan?
Palis man yan.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Oh, there, till there.
Yung nga po nabagay yung ate.
Ha? Babe, are you tired?
No.
No? Really?
Mga lang.
Harayo pa, Totoy? The ocean here. Enjoy, babe? You enjoy, babe? Babe!
Yes, right.
You're so funny, babe. Hey! You're so funny, babe. Wow!
You like that?
Yeah. You're so handsome, babe. going to Manila.
Oh, that over there.
Yeah. But you like aircon bus, so go to Daet in the city. Ordinary bus have terminal there, near in the Pambuhan.
Yeah.
Next ano lang.